Rolling wave planning.
Rolling wave planning is a project management technique where you plan the immediate future tasks in great detail while planning future tasks at a higher level. It's a form of progressive elaboration, which means that as the project progresses and more information becomes available, you can develop more detailed plans for future work. Essentially, rolling wave planning allows you to start a project without having the full details of every task from the beginning. You progressively elaborate on the future work as you move forward. This method is often used in long or complex projects where some activities are clear up front, but other activities are less clear until more information is available later. Key points are: immediate tasks, planned in full detail. Future tasks, planned at a high level with details added later. Progressive elaboration, the process of adding more detail as the project progresses. Use case, ideal for projects where some elements are uncertain or likely to change over time. Sample scenario of rolling wave planning in an oil and gas project. Imagine you're managing an offshore oil platform construction project. This project is expected to take 24 months, and it consists of several phases such as initial site surveys, design, fabrication, installation, and commissioning. Phase 1. Initial site survey and engineering design. At the start of the project, the initial site survey and engineering design phases are well understood and can be planned in detail. You know the specific tasks such as seabed surveys, environmental impact assessments, and designing the platform structure. You can define all activities, assign resources, and set detailed deadlines for the first 6 months. Phase 2. Fabrication of the platform. For the fabrication phase, you have a high-level idea of what will be required, such as building the topside and jacket. However, some details, such as specific material requirements or final design changes, may depend on the outcome of the engineering phase. Therefore, you plan the fabrication phase at a high level, leaving room to add more detail once the design is finalized around month 6. Phase 3. Offshore installation and hookup. The installation phase involves transporting the platform to the offshore site and installing it. Since this phase depends on the fabrication schedule, weather conditions, and logistical challenges, you keep this plan at a higher level, focusing on general timelines for transporting the platform and offshore installation. Phase 4. Commissioning and handover in the months 23 until 24. In this final phase, you conduct testing, commissioning, and handover to the operations team. Since much of the commissioning depends on how the previous phases are completed, you leave the detailed planning for this phase until the installation is nearing completion around month 20. Advantages of rolling wave planning are: flexibility. It allows for adjustments as the project progresses and more information becomes available. Better resource allocation. You can plan resources based on the latest information, avoiding overcommitting too early. Realistic scheduling. It helps in breaking down the project into manageable parts, preventing unrealistic scheduling and allowing for adaptability. And focus on immediate priorities. Detailed planning is done for tasks that need immediate attention, making sure those tasks are well prepared and executed. When to use rolling wave planning. When you have a long project with uncertain future tasks. When parts of the project will evolve over time, like technology projects or research-based projects. When full information about future tasks is unavailable or expected to change. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information about project management. If you want to learn about Excel, we recommend you subscribe to the Skill Pro channel.